And so here is the compost. Well, there was some watermelon rinds, very little, and a bunch of apples, which will be juiced by the Breville. Alright, so here's all my stashes of stuff. And this is my homemade little juice mobile. And coconut water. We got hibiscus tea, watermelon juice. Gosh, there's so many. I'm gonna have to do this in the daylight sometime, but it's getting dark here, and this is the most light that I have. So anyway, let's see, we got that is pure Concord grape juice. We have watermelon juice, and in the back there, spicy green goddess elixir, and a new one, which is a broccoli pecan herb bliss. I like savory juices. And that's some fresh tangerine juice and green goddess. More of the same. You can tell the difference between the fresh squeezed grape juice and the hibiscus tea. Okay. So there we go. Back to the juicing.